Have you ever dreamed of money magically appearing in your account? Imagine waking up every morning, checking your bank balance, and seeing it grow without lifting a finger. It's a tantalizing thought, isn't it? No work needed, just pure, effortless income. The idea of earning money while lounging on a beach or relaxing in a hammock by a serene lake is incredibly appealing. It's the ultimate goal for many. It's the holy grail of personal finance, passive income. We all crave it. The freedom to read a book in the park or unwind on a pier by the sea, all while your bank account grows, is a dream worth chasing. The freedom to pursue passions, travel the world, or simply sleep in. Imagine hiking through scenic landscapes, capturing memories in historical cities, or sleeping under the stars in the mountains, all without worrying about your finances. But for most it remains a distant fantasy. Why is that? Despite the allure, the reality of achieving true passive income is often much more complicated than it seems. The truth is, traditional passive income streams are often anything but passive. Managing rental properties, for instance, requires constant attention and effort. From finding tenants to handling maintenance issues, it's a full-time job in itself. Real estate requires capital and management. Dividends need substantial investments. Investing in stocks for dividends demands a significant amount of money upfront and a keen eye on market trends. And let's not even mention the headaches of starting a business. So, we're stuck. The stress of entrepreneurship, with its endless challenges and uncertainties, can be overwhelming. Working tirelessly, trading our precious time for a paycheck. We find ourselves burning the midnight oil, sacrificing our well-being and personal time, just to make ends meet. The dream of passive income remains elusive, but the pursuit continues. We're conditioned from a young age to believe in the sanctity of hard work. From the moment we step into a classroom, the message is clear. Success comes to those who put in the effort. We are taught to value grades, achievements, and accolades as the ultimate markers of our worth. Go to school, get a good job, work your way up the ladder. This is the blueprint handed to us, a seemingly foolproof plan for a prosperous life. We celebrate milestones like graduation and landing that first job, believing we're on the right path. It's a familiar narrative, but one that often leaves us feeling like hamsters on a wheel. We hustle and grind day in and day out, but the sense of fulfillment remains elusive. The daily commute, the endless meetings, the constant pressure to perform, it all starts to blur together. We run and run, but our financial progress remains agonizingly slow. Despite the long hours and hard work, the dream of financial freedom seems just out of reach. We find ourselves questioning if this is all there is to life. The 40-hour work week feels more like 60, overtime becomes the norm, and work-life balance feels like a distant memory. We sacrifice our evenings, weekends, and even our health, all in the name of career advancement. We're tethered to our desks, slaves to the inbox. The constant barrage of emails and notifications keeps us on edge, making it hard to disconnect and recharge. Even in our moments of rest, the looming deadlines and unfinished tasks haunt us. We crave freedom, but the fear of financial instability keeps us chained to the grind. The idea of breaking free and pursuing our passions feels risky and uncertain. We dream of a life where we can truly relax and enjoy the fruits of our labor. Is there no escape from this soul-crushing cycle? We stand at a crossroads yearning for change but unsure of the path forward. The question lingers. How do we break free from the hamster wheel and create a life of true fulfillment and purpose? Society tells us that wealth is reserved for the lucky few, the entrepreneurs with groundbreaking ideas, the inheritors of fortunate lineages. But what about the rest of us? Are we destined to toil away, forever dreaming of financial abundance? These deeply ingrained beliefs keep us from even daring to dream of a different path. We accept our financial limitations as inevitable truths, stifling our own potential in the process. But what if there was another way, a path less traveled, where innovation meets opportunity? The digital age has ushered in a new era of wealth creation. No longer are our options limited to the traditional, often inaccessible avenues of passive income. The internet has leveled the playing field, and with it comes a revolutionary tool: artificial intelligence. AI has moved from the realm of science fiction to an everyday reality. It's no longer a futuristic fantasy, it's here, it's now, and it's poised to disrupt the very fabric of our financial systems. But how can we, the everyday individuals, harness its power? Section 5. The Rise of the Machines. In this section, we delve into the transformative power of artificial intelligence and its profound impact on our daily lives and financial systems. The rise of AI is not just a technological revolution, it's a paradigm shift that is reshaping the very fabric of our society. AI is not a threat to our financial well-being, it's the key to unlocking its true potential. Imagine a world where financial decisions are optimized by intelligent algorithms, reducing risks and maximizing returns. This is the new frontier of finance, where human intuition is augmented by machine precision. Imagine algorithms that work tirelessly in the background, generating passive income while you sleep, eat, or simply enjoy life. These algorithms analyze market trends, predict future movements, and execute trades with unparalleled accuracy. They are the silent workers, ensuring your financial growth without you lifting a finger. This isn't a pipe dream, it's the promise of AI-powered wealth creation. From robo-advisors that manage your investment portfolio to automated trading systems that capitalize on market trends, AI is making wealth creation more accessible and efficient than ever before. From automated trading systems that capitalize on market trends to intelligent financial advisors that provide personalized investment strategies, AI is revolutionizing the way we approach finance. These systems are designed to learn and adapt, continuously improving their performance and delivering better results over time. To content creation tools that write engaging articles, yes, like this one, AI is not just limited to finance, it is also transforming the creative industries. Imagine a world where AI assists writers, artists, and musicians, helping them to create more and better content. This is the future we are heading towards. AI is rapidly changing the landscape of income generation. From tech startups to established corporations, everyone is leveraging AI to create new revenue streams and enhance existing ones. The possibilities are endless, and the potential for growth is immense. But it's not just about replacing human tasks, it's about amplifying our capabilities. AI is a tool that, when used correctly, can enhance our productivity, creativity, and overall quality of life. It is not here to take over, but to work alongside us, making us better at what we do. Section 6 AI, the Great Equalizer. For too long, access to wealth-building opportunities has been limited to those with privilege and connections. AI has the potential to break down these barriers, democratizing access to financial freedom. It empowers individuals with limited resources to compete on a level playing field. But there's a catch. Simply possessing AI tools isn't enough. We must be willing to learn, adapt, and embrace this new paradigm. We must become masters of these technologies, not slaves to our fear of the unknown. Section 7. Practical applications, turning bits into bucks. So, how can we actually use AI to generate passive income? The possibilities are as vast as the digital landscape itself. AI-powered writing assistants can create high-quality content for websites and blogs, generating revenue through advertising and affiliate marketing. Automated trading bots, powered by complex algorithms, can analyze market data and execute trades with lightning-fast speed and precision. And let's not forget about the burgeoning world of NFTs and the metaverse, where AI-generated art and virtual assets are creating entirely new avenues for wealth creation. Section 8. A future forged in algorithms. The future of wealth creation is inextricably intertwined with AI. Those who embrace its power will be the architects of their own financial destinies. They will be the ones who break free from the shackles of traditional employment, forging their own paths to abundance. But this future is not without its challenges. As AI becomes more sophisticated, so too will the need for ethical considerations and responsible implementation. We must ensure that AI-powered wealth creation benefits all of humanity, not just a select few. Section 9. Embracing the AI revolution. The AI revolution is not a distant prophecy, it's happening right now. The question is, will you be a spectator or a participant? Will you cling to the outdated notions of wealth creation, or will you seize the opportunities presented by this transformative technology? The choice is yours. The tools are at your fingertips. The future of wealth is here, and it's powered by AI. Embrace it, master it, and unlock your true financial potential.